speaking of corona, when the last time you washed your hands or hand sanitizer?
Just a few minutes ago.
Oh, is you lying right now? I think she lying right now. You know I keep me some hand sanitizer handy. Yeah, you gotta put some hand sanitizer on. I can't trust you right now. Put this on. Put this on. No, I don't want to kiss. You got corona right now. Put this.
Well, you got corona. You suffer yourself.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Money. Yeah.
Jay.
Just Jay, back in the motherfucking building. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But yeah, about to kick off this little.
And this is my koala.
This is our baby right here.
Yeah.
So how we had this baby? You gonna tell him?
For Valentine's Day, he bought me a teddy bear, and it's a koala. I haven't came up with a name for it yet. I'm thinking about a very simple name like Adam, Bob.
So it's been it's been like a month and a half. And
Yes, it's a month.
It's been a month and a half, and you still haven't thought of no name for our baby?
Well, you know, it takes two to tango, so what do you mean?
I ain't been taking care of him. This your baby. I was dropped him off.
Deadbeat. Deadbeat right there.
But yeah, I just thought his name was Koala or Walla Walla.
No. I'm just really thinking something simple. I need something catchy. So if you got names for my baby koala, drop them below. Thank you.
I would just call that little nigga Walla Walla. But yeah, this is about to be a Little Caesars mukbang. Little Caesars mukbang.
Ooh.
Mukbang. And as you can see, she already took a slice out of her box. As soon as I bring it in, look at my box. My box is still looking good though.
I was hungry and I was already mad because on the app it don't let you get Parmesan on the pizza. So.
And then she was complaining about how I look dry.
It did.
Just calm down. It was free.
Ooh.
This is a gift from Auntie Allison.
Tell Auntie Allison I said thank you. You dropping sauce.
I know. I'm dropping sausages. Come on. Thumbnail.
This is crazy all the time.
Or this one. Or this one. Alright, there you go. So yeah, what you want to talk about in this mukbang?
Well, let me give y'all a little update. Oh, they got a sausage on my pizza. Nasty.
Why you just put that in my box like that? I will this sausage got corona on it. Dang.
Speaking of corona, let me give y'all a little update what's going on in my life. So, I'm a college student. If some don't know, some do. And
some just might not even care.
I ain't asked you. And I'm moving out tomorrow because of the coronavirus. It got too serious and people wasn't taking it serious. So
you didn't even take it serious. About like a week and a half or two ago, she was like, "This done fake. This coronavirus done fake. Every election year is something new."
It is.
Ebola blew over. This gonna blow over too.
It is gonna blow over.
Okay, but ain't it serious though?
Yeah.
And was you taking it serious that time ago?
Yeah, I was. I was just telling you. And they're not kicking me out, but I want my money, so they gonna refund me my money.
If what? If they don't, then what's gonna happen?
If they don't?
Yeah. You just ain't gonna get your money and ain't nothing gonna happen.
Well, I'm not giving them my money for my room. I'm giving my money for my DBs. And DBs are like a spending balance that you have on campus.
Y'all know how them DBs get.
So you basically got your DBs.
Yeah, like I
Oh
never
my
canceled my
God.
joint.
Nigga.
So we can go hit that junk up right now.
It ain't over, but I ain't gonna lie, that bitch over. I'm gonna need to link up with you.
Got my
I know you
ID.
got like 600.
Yeah, you got it.
Or you know you got $30 MSU, you know how they did it too.
Yeah, speaking of corona, when the last time you washed your hands with hand sanitizer?
Just a few minutes ago.
Oh, is you lying right now? I think she lying right now. You know I keep me some hand sanitizer handy. Hey, you gotta put some hand sanitizer on. I can't trust you right now. Put this on. Put this on. No, I don't want to kiss. You got corona right now. Put this.
Well, you got corona. You suffer yourself.
I'll put some on. You think I got the bottle and didn't put none on? I'll put some on. Show them this ain't no game. This is not no game right now. He need to put something on too. I ain't touching that look no more.
So far, I've been stuck in the house with this dude. One of my roommates left. One of my roommates left Tuesday. Oh my no, I think Jasmine left Monday, and then Ruby left Wednesday. And it's been a couple of days, and I left, and I leave Sunday. I want to leave today.
Tomorrow. We leave tomorrow.
Yeah, and he's gonna take me home. He's gonna vlog that too.
I'm gonna vlog it.
Yeah.
She just been calling all of the videos lately. She said, come on, let's do a mukbang for your channel. And then now she's talking about we're gonna do a vlog tomorrow. And then the video that we doing, that we about to do like the next video or one of the next videos that we about to do today. She thought of that video too last weekend, but I tried to do it last weekend when she first thought of it.
We got into an argument. He didn't want to listen, like always. So we ain't do it. And I didn't want to do it because he pissed me off.
And that's why I haven't uploaded in over a week.
His fault.
And she don't even want to claim y'all. She said, this your channel. I don't gotta be in your video.
It is your channel. And
Okay, you can still be in the video.
And I'm just saying, Tezzy Money and just Jay. It don't say that. It say Tezzy Money 2K. So therefore,
It don't even say 2K no more. You're not a lawyer. I've been dropped 2K from my name.
Well, I just looked your money's name up on fucking, my bad, freaking YouTube, and it popped up.
And what is it? Tezzy Money, right?
Hold on, wait a minute.
You know I hate mukbangs and junk and eating videos, cause they probably hear us smacking and chewing and junk, and I hate that. I don't like watching mukbangs. So if this don't get enough views, I wouldn't be surprised. I hate watching. Like when I was editing that Pop video, I was getting irritated because I just kept on hearing smacking and chewing. Like, I was ready to just rage. Like, you don't understand. That junk is irritating. Like, that's why I'm watching mukbangs. So chew, put your chewing volume down, please.
Oh, but what is this? Who is Ty Rob exposing 2K Tezzy Money 2K?
That was this boy named Tyquan Robinson. He went to my old high school, and like back in the day, like I used to have my YouTube channel used to be like playing the game. Like I used to play the game, 2K basically. And he played me on 2K, and then he uploaded a video basically saying that he beat me in the game. I don't remember if he beat me or not. What?
Well, you wouldn't beat him.
How you know? I had a video. Oh,
You didn't beat you.
I had a video on my channel when I beat him too.
Yeah, I was wrong. See you guys.
You know he was wrong.
Ooh.
Is he even focused?
No.
Wow, that's crazy. She ain't even subscribed. But alright though, bit.
Just move it out the way. Just move it out the way.
See, it's Tezzy Money.
Alright, Tezzy Money. Everybody can do that. They watching. They can obviously just scroll up and see it. They been knew you was wrong before you even showed them.
You must want to fight today.
No,
You must want to fight.
no. You just like to fight.
You must want to fight.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well, I don't put my hands on girls, so you gonna have to take that over my little nigga right here.
You're not going to fight me.
She been drinking water. This is why she do it, drink water.
You're supposed to.
Yeah, I've been
It's good
drinking.
for
I've
you.
been drinking water too.
He needs to.
Haven't I been drinking water? People watching this don't believe that I drink water.
He really don't drink
Look,
water.
let me get some water. Let me get some water. I've been drinking water lately. Like, I've been feeling bad. Like, my stomach, my kidneys been. No, it's not no joke. I haven't drunk water in like years until like a couple days ago. I've been drinking water though, like a bottle a day. Let me get some.
You didn't know bottle.
Let me get some water. Can I get some water?
Yeah.
She about to kill your oil. For real, chill out. Chill out. I need some water. Alright. I guess I just won't drink now.
I didn't even clench my thirst. You just gonna make me sad.
Alright, I'm about to gulp this whole water down.
Don't get my whole water down.
That junk mighty tasty though. That junk mighty tasty. Psych? What are you talking about? Water nasty. That's why I haven't drunk it. That's why I went all them years I was drinking water.
Use hand sanitizer.
You just went in my pocket and got my hand sanitizer?
I didn't go in your pocket. First of all, it was in your buddy's pocket. Did you just call him Eddie?
I said my little nigga.
Oh. See, he gets me. Stop. It looks so.
Told you she ain't want no hands. But it's like, no.
Oh, get my friend 3 bundles in the closure. Get at her. Braids by Nautica. Get at her too. Period.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, so yeah, that wrapped up this video. That wrapped up this mukbang. She ate one piece in the video. One piece and one bite in the video. And I ate like a piece and a half, but yeah. That wrapped up this mukbang. We about to shoot like 2 more videos for y'all. So yeah, we about to be working all day. It ain't nothing to do. We just trapped in the crib. Can't catch corona, so.
Quarantine day 5, I believe.
So yeah, that's the end of the video. It been your boy, Tizzy Money.
And your girl, Just Jay.
And we out. Gang, gang, gang. Yeah.